Bella 10-speed immersion blender with attachments, 350 watt, immersion blender with dishwasher safe whisk and blending attachments for food prep, black. Powerful and versatile. This 10-speed immersion blender features a powerful 350 watt motor, variable speed control and 8-inch blending shaft. Blend directly into tall pots and pans. Includes 2.5 cup chopper bowl, 3.5 cup spouted beaker and whisk attachment. Easy cleanup. Perfect for the smaller kitchen, this handheld blender includes durable and removable dishwasher safe stainless steel blade system and attachments, including a 2.5 cup mini chopper, extra long cord. Easy recipes. Small enough to store in a drawer, this mixer is great for making soups, smoothies, meringues, dips, sauces, mayo, chutney, whipped cream, salsa, baby food, guacamole and batters for baking. Kitchen essentials. Bella offers a full range of high-quality products including air fryers, waffle irons, toasters, coffee makers, electric kettles, slow cookers, espresso machines, griddles and juicers. Mix it up. The kitchen should be fun. With Bella it can be. We provide you with quick and convenient kitchen solutions to simplify your hectic life, including small kitchen appliances, cookware and housewares. Product description. Meet the do-it-all blending hero. The Bella multi-use 10-speed immersion blender can prepare soup, sauces, baby food, dips and even meringue. Perfect for the smaller kitchen that doesn't have space for larger blenders or the culinista who is always mixing things up. Stainless steel blades effortlessly blend soups and sauces to the perfect consistency. Prepare the tastiest meringue or whipped cream with the stainless steel whisk attachment. Have a picky eater on your hands. Puree your own baby food with the 2.5 cup mini chopper attachment. Just imagine what you can do with this kitchen dream machine. Easy clean up with dishwasher safe parts. Ad. Theme. Edited yesterday, 10:44 p.m. Action.